Hearty welcome to the participants of Bhubaneswar region to the e-learning online course on designing e-resources designed by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Let us see a quick look at the course content: managing files and folders, introduction to MS Word, preparing PowerPoint presentation with narrations and converting the same to video, slicing videos, uploading video on YouTube, preparing online quiz, preparing interactive worksheet using free open software, preparing audio files using free open software, storing and sharing the resources prepared, and documenting all content online through Blogger. The contents of the course is shared through a dedicated URL for training to Kendriya Vidyalaya teachers in X platform. The URL is created by FOSI team of Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. We sincerely thank the FOSI team for allowing us to use their platform for training our teachers. The self-learning contents of the course are presented in the form of videos. In this video, you will see how to log in to https://kvsz@trg.fossc.in to register and view the contents. Let us start. Open the website kvsz@trg.fossc.in. It will take you to this website. Please remember this website. As you are a new user, click new user sign up. It will take you to the registration page. Select a convenient username. Give a valid email ID. Choose a password. Confirm the password. Enter your first name, enter your last name, and in the roll number you enter your employee code. In the institute, please give your Kendriya Vidyalaya name. In the department, please enter KVS. In position, please enter your designation. In roll number, your employee code. In institute, name of your Kendriya Vidyalaya, department KVS, and in position your designation. After that, click register to register. Immediately one email will go to the email ID provided by you in the registration form. It reads Webmaster X email verification. Click it. To activate your account, you have to click the link. Click it, then your account will be activated. Click home. Now you can log in to this website kvsz@trg.fossce.in with the credentials. That is your username and password. Click login. You can save it in your computer also. It will take you to all courses. Be careful. Please do not enroll for this X demo course. I repeat, please do not enroll for this X demo course. You have to enroll for the course by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Therefore, in the enter course code to search, you type Bhubaneswar, BHUBANESWAR. Case sensitive. Please type all of them in small letters and click search. It will take you to the page online course e-resources Bhubaneswar region. Click enroll. Open enrollment is there, therefore you will be enrolled. Enrolled in online course on designing e-resources Bhubaneswar region by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Here also you are seeing two courses. Click only start button for the online course on designing e-resources Bhubaneswar region, not the X demo course. It will take you to the online course on designing e-resources Bhubaneswar region. Once again, click start to enter the course. Now this course contains all the lessons arranged in the left side. You are seeing the 26 lessons are arranged in order. You can click this icon to make it into a full page. This is the introduction. See the introduction. Click the start to enter the lessons. The lessons are arranged in order. First lesson, managing files and folders. You can read it by clicking it, full page, read it, and then below that one video is embedded. Watch the video carefully to learn about this lesson. Then click next to go to the next lesson. That is preparing reading material and converting the file to PDF. Suppose some of you may be interested to jump. That is, I am directly going to sharing video online lesson. But remember, this X platform will not allow you. You have not completed previous lesson or quiz or exercise. You have to do it in order only. You want to read the second one, you should have seen the first one. If you want to see the fifth one, you should have seen 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, please go in order. You are humbly requested not to see all the videos on the same time. Please see maximum 4 or 5 videos per day based on the quiz and assignments for you. Every day, quiz and assignments will be based on the lessons in order. First day, quiz and assignment will be based on lessons 1, 2, 3, 4. Day 2, that is quiz and assignment number 2, will be based on 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. Now you have to click start to go back, and then now you are seeing number 2. Therefore, happy learning friends. If you have any doubt, you can contact Zonal Institute of Educational Training, Mumbai. Thank you and happy learning.